The Nintendo 64 controller is one of the most influential and bizarre controllers ever made. The most notable design feature is that there are 3 hand grips, and people, as you might be aware, have 2 hands. So, what were the designers thinking, and why did they do this? Well, like all things, we need context. The Nintendo 64 came out at the center of the 90s tech revolution. The most notable technology from this era is, of course, the internet. But that was far from the only groundbreaking technology of this era. And when it came to video games, graphics were about to go from 2D to 3D. In the mid-1990s, Nintendo was at the top of the video game universe. Trying untested and overly innovative products has had a history of being a gamble, sometimes changing culture forever, and sometimes being a catastrophic flop. It is in this concept that one of the craziest product designs came to be. The N64 controller can be broken into 3 grip styles. The first breaks the controller into a very similar design as the Super Nintendo controller, designed for 2D games. The second breaks it into a joystick-controlled design meant for the new 3D games. And then a third alignment that made it favorable for shooters like Goldeneye, making strafing easy years before controllers like Xbox began putting in 2 motion inputs. It also tested out the Rumble Pack, a feature that is now standard in modern controllers. With the success of the N64 and Sony's PlayStation, it was clear 3D gaming would be here to stay. Now that the medium was established, future controller designs began to reflect this in the style that is largely the same today. The Nintendo 64 controller is a true crossover of old meets new, a relic of a short-lived time where retro and modern gaming occupied the same space and time. It displays the unfolding of Nintendo's desire to be innovative yet classic at the same time. Because of this, the Nintendo 64 controller holds its place as one of the most unique controllers in history.